Hello and welcome to my Sonic Cake demo video. I'm BB from Bluffside. This is my first product demo, and I'm truly looking forward to a good chinwag, whilst sharing a few tips and tricks on this plonker little box. The first thing I would like to show you is how to turn this dipstick on. So, we press this button here, and looks like a menu pops up. Like why? Oh, I need to tell it I want to turn it on. So I say yes. Or, okay. Whatever. Alright, here we go baby. Something went wrong. Oh bullocks. Sorry then. 1 minute here. Great, it's on, so let's dig right in. First, let's change presets. Just turn that knob there. Oh. What the? Oh, cool, it's working. Alright, let's try face melt. Are you numpties ready? Wrong name or something there. Let's try this one. A nice clean Cali tone. Whoa. Hey, well, let's take a look at the awesome app that connects with this little devil. So the app is called, Sonic Clink. Right then. Well, after we download the app, connect the phone to the Pocket Master via Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Wait, Bluetooth. Codswallop. But anyway, now that we are, not connected, then we, see why we are not connected. But really, you blokes don't need to see this part. You can do some cool stuff on the app, when you get it all networked together and that kind of stuff. Next, let's connect the cake to a computer. You will need to do this to update the firmware. To do this, go nick a USB-C cable at your local bodega. Unfortunately, I only have a USB-B cable, so we may not get full functionality from this little pocket rocket. So, we plug this in there. And that in here. And, well, it doesn't seem to be working like I had hoped. But, no worries mates. Let's go back and check out some of the awesome tones in this box. Yes, we are back in business. Oh bloody, I've lost my plectrum. It's a dog's life in the British Army. Oh, here we go. Well, me bleeding demo seems to have gone to the loo. Sorry then. And if I wasn't such a twit, this would have been a great video. I swear. Well, cheerio. Keep calm. And keep a stiff upper lip. You sods.